that what we're supposed to feel like?
It's like jittery.
Erupts.
Yes, today I'm walking along the volcanic rim of the Volcan San Antonio, which lies at the southern tip of the island of La Palma in the Canary Islands.
Okay, so we're just here at the visitor center, here at the volcano, and we're gonna go explore the rim of the volcano.
The visitor center provides scientific information related to the volcano and the history of the island itself. Also, there's this neat eruption simulator.
We're supposed to feel like
It's like jittery.
Erupts. Okay.
We're headed to the lookout point at the other side of the rim. The trail overlooks the side of the mountain. Make sure you bring the right type of shoe for this terrain. The volcano erupted back in the 1970s, thus creating the southernmost part of the island. This volcano, however, is dormant.
There's something quite serene about walking alongside the rim of a dormant volcano.
Onwards to the lookout point, and once you make it, you have a beautifully clear view of the ocean and the closest islands to La Palma. Off in the distance you can see La Gomera and El Hierro. And you have a fantastic photo opportunity to sit at the top of a real volcano. We begin our hike down the mountain.
Okay, you gotta be real careful coming down this slope because it's pretty treacherous. Actually fell down and busted open my hand.
As we continue onwards, we look back and see the Volcan San Antonio as it sits atop the mountain, and the clouds begin to roll in. We made a detour at this white rock. What I liked about it is that it contrasts the black volcanic earth and it overlooks the ocean. There was what we thought was a path along the side of the mountain.
So update, we were walking along that path and it turns out it was an aqueduct, which we probably shouldn't have been walking on. It was definitely restricted, but at least it helped us get to the bottom of the island. Make sure you definitely read the signs.
Actually, we were at the midway point, not the bottom. This part of the trail is fascinating as it's covered completely in black volcanic rock. You can see how this was created as the island shifted, lifting the crust and settling into place. The views will never cease to amaze me. In fact, you can actually see another island off in the distance behind La Gomera. We're looking at the island Tenerife. Parts of the trail are very gravelly. Watch your step.
Okay, so we made it down to the bottom of the mountain. Now we're gonna feast at the restaurant at the bottom of the volcano.
The sound of the waves sounded so refreshing after a 2-hour hike downhill. I just wanted to jump right into the cool waters. Instead, I had a cold beer.
So now that we made it down to the bottom of the volcano, we gotta go back up, but we're gonna take a bus. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more adventures.
Next time, we're going to the island's only organic banana plantation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, stick around and subscribe for more mini adventures. Happy travels, and until we meet again.